We have a positive vision of the future founded on the belief that the gap between the promise and reality of America can one day be finally closed. We believe that the thing that lies at the foundation of positive change, the way I see it, is service to a fellow human being. Every positive value has its price in negative terms. The genius of Einstein leads to Hiroshima. We can complain because rose bushes have thorns, or rejoice because bushes have roses. If you have a positive attitude and constantly strive to give your best effort, eventually you will overcome your immediate problems and find you are ready for greater challenges. Positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you will start having positive results. How you think about a problem is more important than the problem itself. So, always think positively. When life gives you every reason to be negative, think of all the reasons to be positive. There's always someone who has it worse. Think positive because thoughts are like the steering wheel that moves our life in the right direction. Positivity will block the negative thoughts that overwhelm you during tough times. Stay positive and you will achieve more than what you set yourself for.